For over a decade, FEATI University Day has been a celebration of tradition, unity, and pride. The early years were filled with energy and excitement, from live TV shows and student recognitions to concerts and our very first FEATI Got Talent. These years marked milestones, from the launch of our 70th anniversary to moments of unity in the Mass of the Holy Spirit, friendly games, and inspiring award ceremonies. In recent years, University Day has embraced both tradition and innovation, with heartfelt alumni stories, talented student performers, creative presentations, and even celebrations online. From the Wish Bus by the riverfront to the energy of our live events, FEATI's spirit shines brighter than ever. From 2010 to today, our spirit remains one.